Cheating is more than just a mistake. It is a profound breach of trust. Whether it happens in a romantic relationship, a friendship, or even within family bonds, the act of betrayal cuts deeply into the human psyche. For the one who has been cheated on, it feels like the ground has been pulled from beneath their feet. Trust, once broken, is not easily rebuilt, and the emotional fallout can leave lasting scars on mental health. At its core, cheating is the breaking of trust. Lying, breaking promises, being unfaithful, or behaving in ways that shatter expectations. While the circumstances may differ, the psychological impact often follows a similar path. Victims of cheating frequently experience an immediate loss of trust, not just in the person who betrayed them, but in others around them as well. This ripple effect makes it difficult to open up, connect, and feel safe in future relationships. The emotional toll can be devastating. Stress and anxiety become daily companions, often spilling into other areas of life such as work, friendships, and personal growth. Many victims report symptoms of depression, sadness that lingers, a sense of hopelessness, or the feeling that joy has been stolen from them. In some cases, betrayal triggers deep-seated fear and anxiety about the future, creating a cycle of worry that feels impossible to escape. Self-esteem often takes the hardest hit. When someone is cheated on, it's common to internalize the betrayal as a reflection of personal worth. Thoughts like, "I'm not enough," or "I must be unlovable," take root, feeding feelings of shame and inadequacy. Over time, these feelings may lead to emotional trauma, and in extreme cases, even symptoms of PTSD. But healing is possible. The first step is acknowledging the pain, allowing yourself to feel the anger, grief, and confusion without brushing it aside. Cheating may shake your sense of identity, but it does not define who you are. Reflecting on the relationship can also bring clarity. Sometimes it means working through issues, but other times it means creating distance and protecting yourself from further harm. No one should go through this journey alone. A strong support system, trusted friends, family, or faith-based communities, can provide comfort when the weight feels unbearable. For many, professional therapy is an essential part of recovery. A trained counselor or psychologist can help untangle the complex emotions that betrayal creates and offer healthy strategies to rebuild trust and self-worth. Forgiveness is another step in the healing process, but it should never be rushed. Forgiving doesn't mean forgetting or excusing the betrayal. It means releasing the grip that bitterness and resentment hold over your life. This process takes time, and it's okay to move at your own pace. Finally, rebuilding yourself is key. Engaging in positive activities, learning new skills, practicing mindfulness, or exploring hobbies can all help restore a sense of joy and confidence. Slowly, the heavy burden of betrayal lightens, and you begin to see yourself not as a victim, but as a survivor with renewed strength. Cheating is a painful blow to mental health, but with self-awareness, support, and the courage to seek help, healing is not just possible, it's transformative. Be prosperous and share happiness.